BMW M2 Competition, faster, sportier, purer. You're looking at the new BMW M2 Competition pack, the successor to the original M2. Yes, this is the only model available of the maximum 2 series range, and with a brutish 410 bhp output, it's stepping perilously close to M3 and M4 territory. The range is streamlined such that it's this or nothing. There is no choice of which BMW M2 to buy anymore, unless you consider a used one. And it seems like something of a bargain. It costs around £3,000 more than the regular M2, yet you get a whole load more power from the 3.0-litre straight-six turbo, up from 370 bhp to 404 bhp, while torque swells from 343 pounds-foot to 406 pounds-foot, available all the way from 2,350 to 5,230 revolutions per minute. You'll quickly spot the competition pack's design changes. It's pretty brutal. The bumpers are peppered with gaping air vents to chill brakes, oil and engine, and we quickly stopped counting the numerous flares, spoilers and splitters. Quad tailpipes and full-width black diffuser are what most other motorists will see of it. The Maximum M2 rides on big restyled 19-in rims, lowered suspension, and we tested this fetching extra cost livery named Hockenheim Silver. Inside, the M2 is a 240i with the twist. There are bespoke seats and fresh instrument graphics, but it's hard to escape the feeling the BMW M2 Competition interior is feeling old now. The red starter button fires up the 3.06 to a noisy idle. A new sports exhaust is coming which should make it fruitier and less mechanical, we hear. Choose from a 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT. The latter will shave 0.2 seconds off the 0 to 62 miles per hour time, but both are good gearboxes. Pick the one that suits your preference, we say. The manual box has a good fast action and positive feedback, allied with a smooth, light clutch. It makes gear changes a pleasure to flick around. Gearing is well judged for typical usage. This car is built for your favorite backroad, don't forget, and throttle response is fast but never jerky.